Hi and welcome back to day 2 of 31 days of Qigong. My name is Sue Kreitz and I'm excited to be on this journey with you. If you would like to get the day 1 video, sign up in the email link down below and day 1 will be sent to you. Okay, so yesterday you learned about energy breathing. I hope you enjoyed that. Today you're going to learn about the prep that we do before we like to start our Qigong practice. This preparation actually helps to open up our channels to make us better able to receive the energy that we're going to cultivate throughout the practice. Okay, so you can just follow along with me, but what we always start with is our feet are hip width apart, our knees are slightly bent, shoulders are relaxed, and as I showed you yesterday, you can just kind of draw your hands a little bit away from your body, and you're just going to start bouncing. So you're bouncing at the knee, your feet are flat on the floor, and you're just letting your arms flop. When you bounce, you're actually detoxifying your body. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth as you bounce. So just let go here. Settle down your energy. Detoxify. Shake off the day. Shake off what you've got to do. Let go of any stress, any tension. And see how my arms are just kind of like wet noodles? That's what you want. You want to really release through the shoulders, through the neck. Okay, and then bring your hands up and just let your wrists flop. This looks funny, so it's easier to have the smile. But what you're doing here is you're actually activating more energy channels, more meridians, which opens up our channels better to be able to get energy. Kind of letting this tree bounce with me. Okay, and then just bring your hands down. And then now just go from side to side, just letting the arms flop loosely. Okay, so I'm not controlling their movement. I'm just releasing them. Okay, and then come back to center. You can stop bouncing. And now, this is when you would move into the breath that I taught you yesterday. A little bit more about the bouncing. It really increases your vitality. It helps you detoxify. If you are weak or maybe ill, a really good thing for you to do is bounce. You could bounce for 5, 10, 15 minutes a day, and you would get very good benefits in your body, in your mind. It's very grounding and healing. Before we start our Qigong practice, we always bounce. It settles the energy down and helps to open up our channels, and so we're better able to receive energy. So when I have prep in the calendar, which you would have gotten on day 1, prep means to bounce. Okay, that's the first part. The second part of prep is the breath, which I guided you through yesterday. The third part is saying the password to bring you into the meditation. Okay, so let's just do it. We've bounced. Now we're gonna stop, feet hip width apart, shoulders are relaxed, hands are just slightly away from the body, fingers are gently spread, gentle smile, tongue touching the roof of the mouth behind the front teeth. And you're slowing down your breath and you're sending it deeper, and you're seeing all the energy go into the lower dantian in behind your navel. You can close your eyes. Again, you can be seated or lying down while you're doing this. You visualize you're breathing in and out of your skin. Beautiful, healing, universal energy is coming in through every pore of your skin, and it's collecting with that beautiful light you have shining in your lower dantian, in behind your navel. And each time you exhale, you visualize whatever you don't need is transforming into smoke and coming out of your skin and shooting to the farthest edges of the universe. So you're letting go of any tension, any pain, any stress, any fear, any relationship problems, any financial problems, any tumors or cysts, they're just dissolving. and coming out of your body like smoke and going back to the universe. And when you feel that you've settled down into the breath, you can say in your mind the password, which helps bring you into the meditation. It's like a switch that stimulates the body to know we're going into a practice. I am in the universe. The universe is in my body. The universe and I combine together. And so just feel that wonderful expansion with the universe, that connection to all that is. You are in the universe, and the universe is in you. We are all connected. And you can continue to do this for as long as you like. If you would like to move into some movements, go ahead and do so. But today, that's all I wanted you to do, is bounce and go into the breathing and get ready for the practice. So this is what we call prep. The prep involves bouncing, sending your breath deeper, visualizing the light in your lower dantian, and breathing in and out of your skin and saying the password. Okay? Some question that I often get asked is if Qigong is based on religion. Qigong is not a religious practice or based on any religious practice. It has to do with the science of energy, actually. So you can be a religious person and practice Qigong or not. That is completely up to you. And you can tailor your practice based on what your beliefs might be. Maybe you don't want to use the term universe. Maybe you want to use the term that might be more reflective of your religion. Whatever it is for you, it's great. Okay, so thanks for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.